Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I really want to start a little series on the channel called the Simple Summer Series. In this series, we are going to be making a few really easy, really cute summer crop tops. So if you're a beginner, this series will be perfect for you. Not only will I be teaching you how to read patterns, but I will also be teaching you how to make really easy, really cute crop tops for all sizes. So before we get into the first top of the series, I want to take care of the housekeeping. Make sure that you like and subscribe and turn your notification bell on so that you can be notified every time I post. If you want to keep up with me in real time, make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. All of them are in the description below, and also the link to my website where I sell my designs, my patterns, and I do a little bit of one-on-one coaching. That can be found in the description as well. So with all that said, let's jump right into the video. So for this tutorial, we'll be using regular good old acrylic worsted yarn. You can use cotton, but I will suggest using acrylic for this one, and a size 5mm crochet hook. And per usual, you're gonna need a pair of scissors to cut your yarn, but I think that goes unsaid at this point. So to begin, we are gonna start off with a chain of 71, and the different chain amounts will be right here for the different sizes. Also, this will be a pattern read along, so the pattern for this will be located here at the bottom. But yeah, for a size medium, we're gonna start off with a chain of 71. After you chain 71, we're gonna skip that first stitch right here. We're gonna half double crochet into the second, and then we're gonna half double crochet all the way across. So just one half double crochet in each stitch. Alright guys, so once you have your half double crochets completed and you get to the end of the row, you're going to chain one, turn your work, and then we're going to decrease at the beginning of the row. So you're going to go into that first half double crochet, which is the last half double crochet from the previous row, pull up a loop, go into the next one, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all three. Then we're going to half double crochet in each stitch all the way until the third to last stitch, leaving the last two stitches alone. Alright guys, so once you get to the third to last stitch and the last two stitches are untouched, we're going to do a decrease at the end of the row as well. So you're going to go into that stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all three. And that is the end of row 2. So we're going to chain one, turn our work, and we're going to repeat the same exact thing we just did in the previous row, which is the decrease at the beginning of the row and the decrease at the end of the row. So go into that first half double crochet, pull up a loop, go into the second, pull up another, yarn over, pull through all three, half double crochet all the way across. And then when you get to the last two stitches, you're going to do a decrease again, and then we're going to keep repeating that until we have just one stitch left. So this piece should just be one big triangle. I'm actually going to get this done off camera and show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Alright guys, so once you're finished with your triangle, this is what it should look like. And I went ahead and marked off the 7 middle stitches. So you want to find that middle point, and because 70 is an even number, your middle point is not going to be a stitch, it's going to be in between two stitches. Then you just want to count out the middle 7, and I marked off those 7 stitches. So what we're going to do now is we're going to slip stitch, and we're going to attach our yarn to one of the stitches we have marked off. Gonna slip stitch right into that same stitch, and then we're going to half double crochet in that same stitch. Then we're going to half double crochet into the next 25 stitches. Remember, the stitch count for the different sizes will be right here. We're just working along the bottom side of the triangle. You will see where you can put your hook in at the bottom of each stitch for the next 25 stitches. Okay, so once you have your 25, you leave the remaining stitches alone. We're going to chain 1, turn our work. In the beginning, we're going to do a decrease, so you decrease with those first 2 stitches, and then you half double crochet all the way across. We're only working into those 25 half double crochets we did in the previous row. We are not working into the bottom triangle at all. Once you get to that last stitch, you chain 1, turn your work, and remember, we're doing a decrease in the beginning of each row. So you start with your decrease, and then you continue placing 1 half double crochet in each stitch. And we're going to continue to do this until we have 1 stitch left. Okay, so this is what it should look like. You have your big triangle on the bottom, your small triangle on the top. Now we're going to make a strap that is long enough to go over the shoulder and then weave into this corner and then back into this side. The strap amount may vary. I'm gonna make my strap about 200, maybe about 300 chains, to be honest, because I want it to be pretty long. It's better to make your strap longer because you can always go back and shorten it. So that's what we're gonna do. Once I'm done with the strap on this side, I'm gonna go over to this side and repeat the same steps I did to make this triangle. I'm gonna slip stitch into here, and then do our 25 half double crochets, and then decrease by 1 for each row until I have a similar triangle on this side. And then I'll also make the strap. Make sure that both straps are the same amount of chains, and then try your top on to see how many chains you actually need. I will show you guys me trying the top on to show you how to tie it. Alrighty guys, now this is the final product. How cute did this come out? So what I did with my straps is I brought them over my shoulders, and then I wove them into the corners of the triangle, and then about 7 rows under that corner. And doing this part is truly optional. It's just if you want a little bit more security, but that's what I did. And yeah, that's the final product. That is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn your notification bell on so that you could be notified every time I post and every time I go live. Also, check out the membership program in the description. It's called the A-List. It's just $5 a month and all the perks will be down there. Also, my social media links and my website where I sell my designs and my patterns is down there as well. Please check all of that out and support this channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.